Right, assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to Pepe video update today. So there's a small invalidation of a pattern because Bitcoin dropped early this morning, and that's pretty normal. I don't think it still invalidated anything regarding Pepe. So yeah, there was a move down like this, move up, came down, but it does look to me like you're making even a stronger pattern here because you're looking for a double bottom here, and that's pretty good. Okay, you came down like this, you're making a double bottom, so you might be looking for the break of the neckline. And let's talk about the break of the neckline and your next technical target. I personally do see a technical target of Pepe all the way back to 15,000, and I'm gonna tell you why. So from there to there, if you break above the the double bottom here, you're moving up and down like this. You may even get rejected, go for a triple bottom, and then break up and go up like this, right? So this one to me does look like it's going to be moving up, break above here, retest this one, and then go all the way up to 15,000 right there. But it's meant to actually move up here. It's meant to come up here. It's even meant to come up here. The reason is, again, the pattern that has been broken, and that is this one right over here. You got rejected, you broke above, and you're looking for that push back to this target. And it doesn't really stop there because we just may see, if in a perfect world, we may actually see Pepe moving up like this. I do want to observe the weekly. I haven't seen the weekly in quite some time. Yes, you can see that the weekly shows a spinning top, number one. So this is very, very good. This is really, really good candle. And number two is I want to check how the monthly looks like. So let's do that very, very quickly. Now you see the monthly has invalidated one thing, and I do remember when I told you about morning star. So this is a morning star, and morning star means that the coin which makes a morning star is meant to reverse back to the upside. Number one, you really made this one shooting star, and you invalidated that shooting star as well. So Pepe, to me personally, is going to pump, right? Which is good for you to hear, but no hopium. I do have technical reason for a pump. I do expect it to go to the upside in the near future. Now, of course, as long as we're not coming down to 10,000, and especially in the next 5 days. I think I spoke a little bit early, but let's put it this way. In the next 5 days, 12 hours, we need to see Pepe closing green above 14,765, and that means that January may be another green month coming for crypto in general, not only just Pepe. And that's it for this video. I'm going to see you in the next one. I love you.